welcome back to my channel. I am doing February's For the Love of Homemade Kits kit review or reveal. So the recipe is, and I'll post it on the screen as well, but I did take a screenshot just so I knew what I was working with. And I'll just simply read them to you first too. So we're dealing with large multicolored florals, 3 colored cardstocks, a text background, what does it say? A pattern with at least 3 colors, grid or ledger paper. So we'll start with that. So this is my multicolored floral. I've had this forever. This is from September Skies Heidi Swap, but I figured that I already see like the layout coming together where I might like X-Acto knife, you know, the edge here and then like tuck the photo into it as if it would already be it. So I feel like this one's going to come together rather quickly. I am going to move this one from January's kit into February's kit. I didn't use it last month, but I really want to utilize this cardstock. It's too beautiful to not use it, and I haven't figured out how to cut it yet, so I'm going to leave this one in here as well. And then just for the other florals, this whole kit is very floral heavy, so I pulled like 2 very like blue tone ones. I haven't used this one. This one is Willow Lane, and this one is Kaiser Crafts. What's the collection called on this one? Misty Mountain Collection. So I have those 2 to use, and then this is an old Kaiser Craft one as well. This beautiful roses. So we'll see. Here are my colored paper / large floral papers to use. My 3 cardstocks, I pulled stuff that went with those, so I'm going to hopefully use this one maybe as the background. I have like this iridescent ivory and then like a good navy blue, which I thought would work. Here are my text options. I have this one from the Bright Side. I think it's Fancy, yeah, Fancy Pants. It's called The Good Stuff, and it's just written over and over again, but these are work good for backgrounds, I feel. And this is an old one from Studio Calico. It's the Amelia collection, but the text is just a classic, almost like a Arial text, which is good too. And then for the ledger or grid paper, I have this one. This one I believe is Heidi Swap. It's from a paper pad collection. I think I've used most of it because I don't find the rest of the paper pad, but it's like a beigey print, and it already has like some mixed media on it, which I think is cool. And then this classic ledger, again, a good background for any layouts that come with these papers. Then for the embellishments, it indicates stamps, which I'm honestly keeping it simple. I'm going to start using my date stamp again, and I pulled out this rotary Maggie Holmes one. It's an old one, I think. I honestly don't even know the collection, but it says like, hello beautiful, dream a little dream, you make me happy. So maybe just like, you know, multi-stamping with this one. For me, busting out stamps right now is just not ideal. I have so many. I know I don't use them, and this should be a way to use them, but I thought I'd keep that stamp simple and just use these. We were told to use sequins. So I was on the Spiegelmom Scraps design team a lot. So I have a lot of their sequins. So I have like these clear ones, a few like gold options. I feel like these can always be like my enamel dots or finishing touches on anything. And then like a blue aqua pack as well. It said washi. So I pulled kind of like 2, they're almost like clear backgrounds, but one has a large polka dot and the other one has like a confetti sprinkling. These could be good just as details as finishing touches. The other embellishment, so it's stamps, sequins, washi, family themed embellishment, hearts, and labels. So for my hearts, I have, both of these are like puffy and dimensional. This is a Target dollar spot, and I think this might be a dollar store. But they're always on my desk. I like them a lot. For family embellishments, I'm using this pack for obviously some titles too, but all of them have to do with family and being together. So this is probably going to be a lot of my titles. And then this is the sticker sheet to that Kaiser Craft one, but I like all these sentiments too. So I feel like if I am able to use that blue floral and utilize some of these and get some of this used up, because it's a whole sticker sheet, that would be good with it. And then for my labels, they were all sitting together. So clearly I just gathered up all my labels, and they actually all have like this Valentine's Day-ish theme with them. So I feel like, honestly, I'm glad this whole thing made me pull them out, because otherwise I would have forgot to use them for Valentine's Day. But I feel like this could be a nice grid quick layout as well. So I'll probably be able to use all these labels on one layout, which is good. I mean, I'm excited. Let's get our stash used up. Then the mixed media options are acrylic paint. So I pulled out some purpley shift ones, like a robin's egg and then like a navy or so, and then and it asks for a geometric stencil. So I pulled out this Altenew striped one. It's striped, it's I always say symmetrical, so that's my take on it, and then like a very star oriented one. But I chose both of these because I feel like I can use them on any of the layouts as added interest for a little bit of striping with the paint or some scattering of stars on them too. Even though a lot of things are floral, these could definitely work. And then last, for your alphas, it suggested small sized alpha, so I'm going with this like navy one. I try to keep my colors together so that it would work. This one's called Twilight. It's a little bit smaller, and then the other one was an alphabet with a pattern on it. And now I do have like floral alphas, I do have like striped things. I just feel like since I know my papers are heavily floraled, I don't want to add contrast like that. So this one is an old Maggie Holmes. I believe this is from Shine Collection. It's called Details, but there is a pattern on it because it's making them look very geometric, and I haven't used any of it. It seems like the A fell off of there. So it's like a complete, pack. I think it looks like I used 2 numbers, and this has been sitting since Shine came out. So those are my alphas along with the title. So that'll be my February kit. It's actually not very heavily hearts and love. I chose more of the blues and the heavy florals, but I feel like maybe I'm getting in my groove enough since January that I'll have extra layouts on my channel, and we'll do a little bit more Valentine's Day themed ones, because I definitely bought a few cut files to like paper piece together like a cute I think I had like an elephant one, you know, with pictures of the baby, so piece together this elephant holding hearts, and I think I also had another like bunny version. I know I did a version of that last year, but it was really cute because I like the paper piecing for the characters, because Lisa Fonseca, if you know her on YouTube, she does it a lot and they're always so cute, and I feel like my style is going a little bit more cutesy and stuff too, just because I'm a new mom and I kind of like that aspect, but I'm always heavy on the floral. That's just me through and through. So thank you for watching. I'll leave the link of everyone else's February kit shares down below, and join us again for another February Use Your Stash series of layouts. Bye everyone.